So we said we were going to do another potato reveal today. It's another one of those 10 litre pots with those Charlottes in. But we're doing it in shelter today. It's a bit too hot outside. That's the plant. Well and truly dying back. So let's have a look at this one and see what we've got. We'll just get rid of this top. And then we'll tip it straight out. Well, straight away I can see potatoes. So let's get straight into this one. Not a bad size, to be fair. Even bigger. Just keep having a dig through. Well, there's not many in this one. Well, there's not many, but we'll give them a quick weigh. I can't see them beating 1.7 on this one. Although some are quite big. Not many small ones in this particular pot at all. We'll find out soon enough. Get this set to 0. Zero on pounds. Well, it's a bit better than I thought. 1.46. There we go. 1.46. Well, we didn't beat any records with that, but it was a little bit more than I thought it were going to be in weight. And obviously that's due to the fact that nearly all these potatoes are quite a good size, whereas the other pots had a mixture of small and medium. So at least we got nearly £1.5 pounds of potatoes out of that pot. And I think that's all the Charlotte's done now, but we have still got some more 10 litre pots, but they've got main crop ones in, Desiree. And we've also got those 2-foot wooden planters. So when time comes to empty those, we can compare them to a 10 litre pot, because obviously the wooden planters, they're larger, they take up more space and they use more compost. So you'd want at least 3 times what you're getting from one of these out of something that size, but that remains to be seen. Anyway, keep your eye on those plants while these temperatures are rising. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.